Hi everyone, I'm going to unbox the Creality Ender 3v3 SE, Creality Ender 3v3 SE, and I'm going to put it all together. And this is my first video, so it's very amateur. I hope you don't mind. Okay, so first of all, I have opened the box once so that I can check everything is okay inside when I was in the store. Okay, so the store guy has wrapped it again, and it's a very good wrapping. Okay, so what we have inside is a manual, a quick installation guide, comes with some stickers. We have this sample filament, I think it's a PLA, and we have all the tools that we need to assemble the device. Okay, so power cable, the part that we put the filament ring on. I think this is the display. Yeah, this is the display. So this is the heat bed, and these are all stuff, the XYZ axes that the device has. So let's get them out. Very good quality for one of the cheapest 3D printers that we can access right now. Okay, how can I do this? Okay, so I'm gonna put the box down and get everything out of it. And I'm gonna get this out. No, it's not coming out. What about this? Yeah, it's coming out easily. Nice and neat. Almost everything is pre-assembled. Okay, this is the heat bed. This is completely assembled. So yes. Okay. Completely Chinese. I think this is a warranty card or something. Anyways, I cannot use it here in my country. Nice stickers. Quick installation guide for the users. Okay, this is a parts list. As you can see here, the assembly procedure and everything else. So let's see what's the assembly procedure. First, it says place the gantry frame in the slot of the base. Tighten it first with M314 screws by aligning with the holes from the bottom. Then use M38 screws to secure it in place from the rear end of the gantry frame in the same way. Okay, so let's do this. What we need is, yeah, the screws. These are the screwdrivers. and the wrenches. These are the screws. There are only 2 sets of screws here. Oh, there are much more. It comes with the USB and SD card. Some other screws. Another set of screws. Again, another set of screws. So M3 and M14 screws. Let's put the gantry in its place. Yeah. Just want to check if the video is okay. Yeah, it is. Let me just show you this a little bit over here. I hope you can hear whatever I'm saying. Okay, so. Okay, it says you have to align the holes from the bottom. Just, oh yes, there are some holes. How can I? Yep, there they are. Just underneath. Here we have 3 screws. You can see here that it says align them from the bottom. Okay, let me find the screws. I think these are the screws. Yeah, it says M314 here. I love it how everything comes with it. Let me just make sure. Okay, so this would be it. Yeah. think that's fine, and we can get to the next part. It says secure it, use M3 screws to secure in place in the rear end of the gantry frame in the same way. So it would be this. I don't know if you can see it. So these two. Now let's find the screws. M38. Yep. Yes, these are the M38. These two are the M38. You can see M58 and M38. Don't need this anymore. And these are not M38s. This one, no. This, I'm sorry, this one. This goes inside. It's over here. Let me check if it's correct. Yep. This is not a good method, so. Let's just fasten it with hands because this gets into the way. And then just make it put in place. Trying to get a few rounds with this. Yep, good. And yep, good to go. Good. Let's see. Part 2, display screen and material rack assembly. Put the display screen on the right of the bottom assembly. Align the screw holes and secure the M410 screws, then connect the display wiring. Okay, so what we have to do is to just, let's put these over here. So let's check. This is the display, and this is the place of the screws. I think it goes over here. Yep, that's correct. Let me check if you're seeing everything. Yep. The M410s. Let's see. Yep. They are all labeled M410s. A little bit tricky over here. Yep, tricky. Got it. So yeah, this is the wrench. No. No. This one goes in. Yep, perfect. hopefully we don't have to lean the device again. Still, pretty easy. Okay. And it says, then connect this display wiring. Yep. Where should it go? Nobody knows. Let's find out. Yep. It's just underneath it. Ports. Let me just check. Correct. And then it says, fix the material rack assembly to the gantry frame, allowing the screw holes, and lock it with M5 screws. Okay. Okay, so this is it. It should go with this. Okay, M5 screws. Okay, remember the M5 screws from earlier? These are the ones. And yep, these are the ones. Let me just check if you can see. Yeah, just let me bring it a little bit closer. Oh, sorry for the sound. Yeah, you can see. This one would go. Good. Now, the next step is equipment wiring. Okay, so the last part is equipment wiring. You can see the wires and cables are all shown here. The first one is for the extruder. It says first insert the extruder cable into the extruder adapter board, then secure it with the FFC fixing clip assembly. So I think that would be this cable over here. As it shows over here, it should come from behind, and then I think it's better to rotate it first. Oh, it has its own fixture over here. A bit tricky. Okay. Still not in its place. Oh. This is better. Okay, it's in. So where is the fixture? Oh, there it is. Let me check. There should be a fixture over here. Here it is. You see it over here. It's this one. Okay, so I suppose we should. Yep. We should first fix it using these two, and then put this on the cable. This would do. Yeah, I think we need the screwdriver. Yeah, it is over here. Let me see. No, this one needs the hex key as well. I think this hex key would do. Yep. Is this one? No. One size larger. Completely fixed. And in its place, I suppose, yep. The two fixtures are both clipped and it is fixed. I think there shouldn't be a problem. The next part is that it says, follow the label instructions to secure the extruder cable into the cable fixing clip before connecting the X-axis motor. Okay, it's this one. It says get the something of the black positioning label of the flexible flat cable stuck at the line claw. So I think the line claw is right back here. I think I should do something like this. I will put pictures of this part later into the video. Pretty easy. And then you can see here that there's another cable, and as it shows over here, we should put it inside this stepper motor. Pretty straightforward. Yep, right into its place. No difficulties. I think it's best to put it right here. So there's this part that has an extra fabric on it. I put that under the claw. As I said, I will add some photos of this later into the video. I don't know why, but this is taking longer than it should. So I changed the part without the fabric with the part that has the fabric on it. Yep. It's in. It's in. I think it's cool. Then it says connect the Z-axis motor. So what we should do is that we have another cable over here, as you can see. We should just put it inside this socket. Yeah, in. And I think that's it. It says, please ensure proper wiring according to the provided diagram and avoid overturning or folding the extruder cable as it may cause printing abnormalities. Okay. Also, it has a caution that says, please ensure the correct position for the power supply switch and mains before supply connection in order to avoid damage to the device. Okay. If the mains between 100 volt and 120 volt, please select 115 for the power supply switch. If the mains between 200 volts and 240 volts, please select the 230 volts for the power supply switch. The default is 230 volts. So I think what we should do is to put it at 230 volts as the power here. Works on 220 volts usually. The next page talks about the filament loading and operation and use that I will talk about later. Now the device is completely assembled and there is a nozzle head. I don't think we need it. I think this is a spare because we have the nozzle head over here. Yep. That's something extra that comes with the device. And what else do we have? We have the USB, we have the SD card, and we have a sample filament. And I don't know what this is. Let me check. Okay, so this is a cutter for the filament. You can see here. I will show it later. And what else do we have? We have this pin for the extruder. Whenever we want to change the filament, we have to just push the excess filament inside the extruder to come out after heating it up. And we have these two wrenches. And what we used until now were these hex keys. Okay, that's all. So the device comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hex keys, 2 wrenches, and 1 screwdriver. I think that's all. Thank you. Okay, hi everyone. So as you can see, I've changed the place of the 3D printer, and now that it is assembled, I can put it in my own room because I don't have that much space. So what we're going to do is we're going to load the filament. As it says, before printing, cut the front of the filament at 45 degrees and break it off straight. Then it says gently press the extrusion clamp and insert the straightened filament through the hole to the bottom of the heat break. Okay, we're going to do as it says. Maybe it's best to turn the lights on. Yep. Okay. So what we're going to do is first we're going to open this up. It comes with a box. This is the cutter. Here it is. Nice and smooth. Okay. So there is this sample filament inside the box. So you can just use this one at first and then buy a new filament. I will just use this one. I will open it up. I think this is a PLA. Let me just see the back of it. It is Ender series PLA and PLA Plus. It is written very vaguely. So it says positioning in cost-effective products. Ender series filaments meets the normal printing needs. It includes Ender PLA and PLA. It says End PLA Plus, etc. Right over here. Okay, so we're going to open this up and place it where it should. I don't know how we're going to use this without the roll, but I'm going to figure it out just after I open this wire. Okay, so this would be the head. I'm going to just put it over here. I'm not going to use this anymore after this video. I'm going to buy a filament. I just forgot to buy one. So it says cut it at 45 degrees. Where did the head go? Oh, here it is. I'm going to do as it says, 45 degrees. Yep. Then I'm going to put it inside, push the clamp, and then it goes smoothly and gently in. It's in, and I'm going to release the clamp. I think that's it. Also, it says how to replace the filament. It says withdraw the filament quickly and feed the new filaments after the nozzle is preheated and filaments are pushed a little forward. Maybe I'll do this later and upload the video. Okay, the next stop is operation use. I'm going to turn on the device now. Just let me put this stuff away. So the button is over here, the on and off button. I'm going to turn it on. Okay, so as you can see here, it has a language selection. So the first one is Chinese. I'm going to go to English and then push the knob. It says, please make sure there are no foreign objects on the nozzle and heated bed flat platform. Okay, there's nothing over here. Confirm. It says auto Z offset in progress. Okay, yay. Okay, we forgot something. I think there are two. Okay, we should have removed this as well. Oh, I haven't seen them before. Okay, you guys remember, get these out. I will just loosen this a little bit. Maybe more. Just loosen it up. You can see that the Z-axis is moving up and down. It's going down right now. I think it's going to touch the bed and then stop over there. Yes, that is what it did. So the nozzle heating is now lighting up. It's getting blue. I'm hearing some sounds from the nozzle. I think it's heating up. Not to touch it, just putting my hand next to it. Oh, it's a sound. It's a sound of the fan. It's working. I can see here that there's a light. There's some kind of purplish light over here. The nozzle cleaning is now lighting up, blinking blue. It's now completely blue, and the nozzle auto Z offset is blinking. Yep. It says CR touch error. Please contact customer service. I don't know what this means. Okay. Okay, so hello again. For the CR touch error, there is this module that it is the sensing module, and you can just move it over here. I contacted the person that I bought the device from, and he said that because the devices are packed for 2 or 3 months, they get stuck. So what I got is a lubricant, and I put it on the tip of tissue paper. What I'm going to do is to lubricate it a bit. Hopefully the error would then just go away. I'm going to, yep, just put some lubrication on and then just move it a bit. Yeah, it's moving much easier now. So yeah, I believe this was the problem. I hope it works. We will see shortly. Let's see if it works now. I'm turning the device on again. Putting it on English. Please make sure there's nothing on the device. Okay, there's nothing on the device. This way. It was a hamburger. I hope it worked this time. You can see the pen working perfectly right now. It was out. It got in. Let's just take a closer look. This is better view, I suppose. You can see the nozzle heating is blinking blue. Okay, so we're on leveling now. You can see it's leveling. So it's completed, as it says over here. It's completed, and I confirm. And we can see the main menu here. Print, prepare, control, and leveling. And that would be all for now.